Okay, you notice how quiet it is in here? Nothing going on? Well, that's another thing, actually. Okay, forget about my first video. That does that sometimes. Sounds like an air leak or vacuum leak or something. It's gonna die probably once it does start up, so I gotta, like, get on the gas a little. Yeah, it died, see? Gas, and there we go. I don't know what the deal with that is. That engine light's PO420, whatever that is, with the catalytic converter deficiency. Yeah. I don't know what that is. But then, that's only one part of this. You hear that? That buzzing sound? Yeah, I hear it too. Do you hear it more now? Because that's the speaker. I don't know what the deal with that is. But that's pretty annoying. It's really loud in here with that speaker buzzing like that. And it only happens when the car's on, because you heard me turn into power and accessory and nothing was happening then. When I put load on it by pressing the window switches, and you see like the rifle go down, but so will the sound. Hear it like strain a little. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Anyway, I don't know what's going on with that, but when I turn off the car, it stops. The radio's off the whole time, just in case you want to know. It's not the radio, specifically, unless it's... Now the car's not on. After the car's been turned off and it didn't, like, shut off the accessories, like the radio was still going. You hear that? It's still buzzing. It's a little bit different, though. It probably won't start again. This happens when, it gets to about operating temperature. You see how it is right there. And you shut it off, like, for a few minutes, like you run in the store to get one thing. Then you come back. Never mind. I don't know. But now that buzzing is back. Here's another issue with the electronics in this car. You hear how the radio's going, you know? Everything's going good, like I've been driving the car and I go to park somewhere. Turn it off, got the keys. Open the door and the radio's still going. Yeah, it doesn't realize that the door's open, like the light's on and all that. It thinks the door is still closed. Something's in the switcher, I'm not sure. That's why I'm making this video, actually. Also, passenger door, same way. Back doors, however, perfectly fine. It's still working those. So whenever I get out of the car, you know, gotta reach behind me and open the back door, otherwise the radio goes on for like 5 minutes.